You guys have already been filming a little bit for this new season.
Yeah, we're like 6 weeks in, something like that. It's been fun.
Very cool. What's been the most fun part of this new season?
The most fun
for
part?
you?
Well, honestly, we've gotten into such a rhythm it barely feels like work, and we've just really been joking around on set a lot, to be honest with you. So, I mean, we're a lot closer. I just enjoy their company, really.
Yeah, now you're about to see Marvel's Girl and Devil Dinosaur here on the big screen. What are you most looking forward to about this new animated series?
Well, I love that Marvel's not afraid to step out and do different things, different types of shows, and I cannot wait to see what they're going to do with this particular project.
Now, if they were to reach out and ask you to do a voice guest star
Absolutely.
on the show, what kind of character would you want to play?
What I want to play? Well, if he's the devil dinosaur, I want to be like an angel dinosaur, right?
Oh, awesome.
Or some sort of adversary.
Yeah, definitely.
I want to play a villain.
Be the angel devil on the shoulder.
Absolutely.
Very cool. Marvel's Girl, Devil Dinosaur premiere. What are you most looking forward to about this new Marvel animated series?
Honestly, I'm going in open-minded. I have no preferences. I'm just excited. I think it looks amazing. I love the animation style, which is big for me. So I can't wait to just see what the show brings. Yeah, it looks like a lot of fun.
Now, obviously, fans know you from Raven's Home, but Disney Channel has a way of using their talent as voices in a lot of their animated projects. Any chance of seeing Felix appear as like a supervillain or anything like that?
Well, I sure hope so. That'd be fun. I mean, I love doing voiceover work. I've done it for a really long time, and every time I do it, it's a blast. So being behind the mic is just as much fun as being in front of the camera. So if Moon Girl feels like it, or really all the Disney animated projects, if anyone want me, I'm there.
Cool. Now, any news you can give us on Raven's Home? I know you guys are in the middle of, or starting, have you started filming season 6?
We did, yeah. We just finished shooting episode 9. But we've been kind of shooting out of order, so sometimes it's like we shoot episode 9 and then we're shooting episode 7. I don't know. TV shows. But yeah, I'm really excited for fans to see it. We are going into our senior year, which is a big deal for the show. I'm looking forward to kind of seeing where that storyline goes. We're bringing in some new faces. I'm just excited for fans to see. I think Neil has a really cool character arc, and Neil's also rocking a new hairstyle, so that's fun too.
Cool. Awesome.
We're gonna get up to a lot of absolute insanity, and I think fans will enjoy it.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for on season 6 of Raven's Home. I've already talked to another one of your co-stars. I know that you guys have already filmed some episodes.
Yes.
Have you had a lot of fun on set so far this season?
Yeah, it's been so much fun. And we always have fun on Raven's Home. It's a great family, and it's amazing filming with everyone.
Yeah. Now, I know that you also do some designing of your own clothes, right?
Yes,
Yeah?
yes. I do have a clothing line in the works. No pieces are out yet, but we are previewing some around, and it's called MMH by Mykal-Michelle Harris. And yeah, I'm super excited to release it. It's high fashion for kids.
Very cool. Now, you're about to see Marvel's Girl and Devil Dinosaur.
Yes.
What are you most excited about for this new show?
I'm excited that it has a lot of. It looks like it has a lot of diversity, and it seems like a crazy but also really fun concept. So I'm very excited.
Yeah. Now, if they were to ask you to be a voice on the show, what kind of character would you want to play?
Ooh, I think I would be a superhero who had stretchy limbs.
Ooh, very cool. Thank you so much. I hope you have fun seeing it on the big screen.
Thank you.